Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Immerse yourself in the modern elegance of contemporary sliding wooden doors, where sophistication meets functionality. In interior design, these doors redefine the traditional concept, seamlessly integrating style and practicality. Crafted with precision, they showcase sleek lines and premium wood finishes, adding a touch of natural warmth to any space. The sliding mechanism not only saves space but also introduces an element of fluidity to room transitions, whether it's a minimalist entryway or a room divider. These doors serve as architectural statements, enhancing the visual appeal of modern interiors. The use of high quality wood brings a timeless and organic element to the design, creating a harmonious blend with various decor styles. Experience the versatility of these contemporary sliding wooden doors as they effortlessly complement both residential and commercial settings, offering a perfect balance of aesthetics and functionality. Elevate your space with the seamless beauty and innovative design of these wooden doors, making a statement in the world of modern interior decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.